Hi, this is Chris from productivityspot.com. Today I'm going to show you a couple of things you can do using the if function in Google Sheets. So we've got a data set here that's from a pretend exam, and we're going to test to see whether the students passed or failed. So to do that, we just click on an empty cell, type in equals if, opening bracket. Then we need to do a logical test. So in this case, we're going to click on the cell B2. And let's say they needed above 30 to pass, and we'll put greater than 30. Put a comma, put your value if true. In this case, we're going to put pass. Another in quotes, add another comma. Value if false. In this case, we're going to put fail. Close the bracket and press enter. And if it doesn't suggest an autofill, you can just pull the fill handle down. You can see all the students that got less than 30 says fail instead of pass. You can do a similar thing to get actual grades as well. So as you can see up here, it's a bit longer, but each additional if function is the previous if function's value if false. So you can see here we've got if B2 is less than 35, they get an F. But then if the value is false, it goes into another if function, which means B2 is less than 50, they get a D. If that value is false, goes to the next if function, it's less than 70, they get a C, and so on. That's it. Thank you.